Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare black chickpeas dry recipe. This is also known as kala chana. So I am going to prepare kala chana sukha recipe, which generally people prepare during the holy month of Ramadan. So I am going to prepare that today. Ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken kala chana, black chickpeas, soaked it overnight. You have to soak it overnight. 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 2 green chilies. I have cut a slit in the center like this. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is 250 grams of black chana. So for 250 grams I am using 2 medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, little bit of turmeric powder, salt as per our taste. I'll be preparing this recipe in mustard oil. Apart from all these ingredients, friends, we are also going to use water. So now let's get started. First, I have heating 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and now I will add the sliced onion. We'll have to prepare this recipe in a pressure cooker, friends. Add the green chilies also, and now saute this till the onion becomes slightly cooked, till it becomes translucent. Now friends, I will add the ginger garlic paste, the dry spices, little bit of water so that the spices get mixed up. 2 tablespoons of water you can give, and now saute this together. Now friends, as you can see, the masalas are getting cooked. I will add salt as per our taste. Mix it together. And now I will add the kala chana into it. Now mix. Saute this for 2 minutes with the spices over medium flame. After mixing the chana nicely with the spices, I am going to add water. For 250 grams of chana, add 3 cups of water. Mix it nicely. And now I am going to cover the pressure cooker. Now I have covered the pressure cooker and I have put the whistle. So we will cook this for 5 whistles over high flame. So now friends, after 5 whistles, I will lower the flame and I will release the air from the cooker and will open and check. Now we'll check if the gram is cooked or not properly. You can see you can easily mash it, so it is cooked. So now I will cook this like this only, because the water needs to get dried up. So over a high flame, we'll just leave it like this till the water dries up. Now friends, as you can see, the water level has reduced and it started forming nice gravy, and it's becoming dry. Nicely sort till the consistency becomes right. If you want it very dry, then keep on sorting this. If you want it little liquidy, right, like it is right now, you can take it out now also. I want to make it completely dry, so I'm going to sort it for some more time. Now friends, this is the right consistency that I want, so I'm going to put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So friends, here is our kala chana recipe ready. Garnish it with some onion rings and coriander leaves. You can also sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice on top of it. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.